Lá em casa tem pintinho.
Chicky, 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 chicky. No, you said I've got to make the sound of the animal.
Não, e tem the chicken do piu, piu.
Oh.
Os pintinhos, piu, os pintinhos, piu, 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 piu. Os pintinhos, piu. Ok.
Piu, piu.
Lá em casa tem uma galinha. Galinha do có, ok? Lá em casa tem uma galinha.
Oh, that's a galo. Galo.
Có. Yeah. Yes. A galinha có e os pintinhos piu, os pintinhos piu, os pintinhos piu.
Cow.
Now o galo is the husband, right?
Oh, the husband, okay.
Lá em casa tem galo. Lá em casa tem galo. Cocorococó. O galo corococó, a galinha có e os pintinhos piu, os pintinhos piu. Ok?
Okay.
Agora, lá em casa tem
A donkey.
boi.
What's a donkey?
Boi is the burro.
A burro. Yeah, it's a donkey.
Nice.
Elci, I think walking like this is easier on the sand because my feet keep sinking in.
Narizinho palhacinho.
Eu amo você, Elci.
Também te amo.
Eu gosto de você. Good morning, Elci.
Good morning, my love.
So where are we going today?
Oh, we're gonna have a breakfast in a person's house. They used to serve this breakfast every Sunday early in the morning.
And who is this person?
So she's the wife of Seu Eduardo, the person that cleans our grass, the grass of the sítio.
So he's our gardener and this is his wife.
Yes.
And they have a side business going where they serve breakfast
Every Sunday.
every Sunday.
Yeah. See, I admire them a lot. They're a beautiful family of three. They have a daughter that is studying nurse, right? And the wife is a hard work woman, and he is hard work too. He has a little farm, and he works on the farm. And every day he goes to different places to cut grass and move plants, make landscape. And even though he has a problem in his leg, he was supposed to be retired and not working, but he keeps working. He's very, very hard work person. I admire.
I noticed that. Yeah.
I want to help them, you know. It'd be nice.
No, I completely agree. The other day when he was working at our house, I saw him sitting in the atelier, and just before he started having his lunch, I saw him put his head on his folded hands, and he said a nice long prayer before he started eating his lunch.
Good.
That told me a lot about this kind of guy. So I really like him. I like his work, and I look forward to helping out this family with having breakfast at their little breakfast establishment. So let's go.
Yes, let's go. This girl, she makes just the round baskets, right? She
Like
doesn't
this.
make square baskets.
Okay.
And I want to make square baskets. So she's selling me the material, and I'm gonna try to do it. If I can't, I will bring for her to ask her to do.
Okay.
But
I think this would be a great hobby for you.
yeah, I
Right?
want to make for storage and organizing boxes.
I think that's a great idea.
Yeah, but look how she works beautifully.
Yeah,
See?
right.
Very,
her work is-
very nice, right?
We purchased from her before, right?
Well done, yes. Look at this.
Yeah, these are cool. I like even these little ones,
Yes.
right?
That's nice.
Elci, you'd be the most beautiful basket maker ever.
I love
Now,
it.
let me rephrase that. You'd be the most beautiful square basket maker ever,
Okay.
right? I love
you.
your smile.
Thank
When you don't smile, it's like the sun is not shining. You see, today the sun is shining. It's because you're smiling.
Thank you, my love. I just need to be more healthy. Let me do my makeup. So now I look more pinky.
Yeah. Oh, is that the secret?
Yeah.
I should be slapping
Like
myself
this.
silly. I'll have rosy cheeks. Are my cheeks rosy? Oh. Oh. But I look beautiful. Right? Is that the secret?
Yes, looks healthy.
Right. Hi, Elci. You know, I love coming outdoors. I think one of the main reasons for us to be enjoying life here is to get out of the house and to, you know, have outdoorsy things to do like we're doing today, right?
Yeah.
It's a great way to spend a Sunday. Oh wait, I hear a waterfall. I feel like Robinson Crusoe. Ah, we found water.
Definitely getting old.
No, we made some bad decisions is the question.
Yeah.
What we
Like Indians, Arabians, they always in the sun. How is their clothes?
They have white clothes and
Long, but it's long.
No, but they have white long clothes and no undergarments,
You
no
see-
underpants.
you see this sweat?
Because everything hangs free. Liberdade.
Do you see this sweat? This, with the wind, becomes fresh.
I'm actually sweating.
And
Wait,
will
there's a
cool
car. There's
you
a car
down.
coming.
And you cool you down. It's like a, we're gonna install in the combi,
The climatizador.
climatizador. This is our climatizador, look.
That is true. That is true. But we should have. My point is, we should have come better prepared, wearing beach clothes
was
instead
not
of
in the plan.
black pants and clothes that you're wearing.
Yeah.
Right?
But you know, there was some days that we left house with the swimsuit, ready for the beach, and then we didn't go. So
What we
it's
need
like,
to do is keep a bag always in the combi with a pair of swim trunks, maybe a camisette, a
Swim
hapalenchi, a
Accessories.
flashlight, flip-flops, some water, a case of Heineken. Oh, look at that! Holy moly! Guys, this is like a deserted beach that you can only access through a trail. Holy moly! Oh my! Look at this! Oh my goodness, Elsa! Right? I can see why Marcelo used to tell us to come here, because he used to surf here all the time. But look at he also said that the water is dangerous because you can see the slope, right? It gets deep fairly quickly, which means you can be sucked out and on your way to Africa in no time. Oh, Elci, I see Africa. You see it? I see some high-rises in Lagos, Nigeria. You know, all that walking, me probably getting burnt to look like a shrimp, it was worth it, because this is what we get to see. Thank you, obrigado Marcelo, for telling us. Oh, that breeze. Standing here in the shade, that breeze is just to die for. It's amazing. Thank you, God, for bringing us to live here. Amen. I think walking like this is easier on the sand because my feet keep sinking in.
Narizinho palhacinho.
Eu amo você, Elci.
Também te amo.
Eu gosto de você. Elci, I have a great idea.
Wow.
Let's go in the bushes here somewhere and let's play house. I'll be the doctor, you'll be the patient. Remember? We used to do that when we were kids. Oh God. I used to be the surgeon. Dr. Pepe. You know what I learned? I learned not to wear black pants when going for a 10-mile walk. No, we didn't know how long it was going to be. But we're going to go back again and we're going to be better prepared because we're going to wear shorts and tank tops and walking shoes.
So, finalmente, o seu Eduardo tá queimando esse lixo que estava sendo acumulado aí por muito tempo. Agora vai ficar limpo, bem bonito.
Yeah, he's done a great job cleaning everything. Look at all that. I like his work style. He's really good at what he does. Detail oriented and nice guy.
We're doing our exercise, morning exercise.
That is true. That is true, man. This thing looked like a mess before we got a hold of it. So like 2 hours ago or so, I brought out the gasoline-powered leaf blower, or sobrador de folhas, I think is how it's called in Portuguese. Elci insisted on doing everything manually, and I knew it would go a lot faster if we brought the big machine out, and that's exactly what happened. 2 hours later, the yard is looking spick and span. I don't think it's looked this good in 10 years, if not longer. So this really reminds me of my younger days growing up in India. I think it's called lachi. I think something like that. Anyway, the road vendors in India, when they sell it to you hot. This gas is a little bit lukewarm, but when they sell it to you hot, they put butter on it for you, and they put lemon on it for you, and it's delicious. Delicious. So is this. Oh, I love Brazil. Eu amo Bahia, eu amo Brasil.
Cachorro! Au, 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 au. Lá em casa tem um cachorro. Lá em casa tem um cachorro. E o cachorro au au e o boi mo. Ih, burro. Ah!
Forgot
E o
the
cachorro, yes. E o cachorro, uau, uau. E o burro, nhô. E o boi, mó. E o galo, corococó. E a galinha, có. Os pintinhos, piu.
bird. How about a gato?
Meow. Okay. Ah, need to remember everybody. Lá em casa tem gato. Lá em casa tem gato. Let me remember. E o gato miau. E o cachorro au au. E o burro nhô. E o boi mó. E o galo corococó. E a galinha có. E os pintinhos pi. Os pintinhos pi. Oh!
Yeah, I'll see you have a bloody good memory.
We have to make a long list and remember each one of them. It's very
This is a good, fun game, and it's an interesting song.
and it's good for memory.
And you get to participate with animal sounds and all that.
Yes.
I think that's cool. Let's release an album with this one, Elsie. I think we'll sell a lot of CDs.
Yeah.
Meow meow, woo woo, cuckoo, cuckoo, woof woof.